Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. A new poll released Thursday shows Republican gubernatorial candidate Mitch Daniels with a slight lead over Governor Joe Kernan. However, about 4 in 10 registered voters surveyed were undecided. Of 852 registered voters surveyed by phone July 8th through 12th, 32% said they intended to vote for Daniels, 26% favored Kernan, and 41% said they weren't sure who they'd vote for. Well, if you're like most people, you probably get winded climbing a few flights of stairs. But imagine running, swimming, and biking for 6 hours straight. Newslink Indiana's Mandy Hackman introduces us to a Muncie man who does just that.
Brian Fitzwater works every day as an attorney and prosecutor in Portland, but during his free time he trains for the 25th annual Endurathon, the second longest running triathlon in the nation.
Competing against yourself is part of it, knowing that you can do it, and whatever training you've done, you can finish up and hopefully do it with low respect and not have to go to the medical tent.
The triathlon starts Saturday morning at Prairie Creek, but 2,500 volunteers began setting up Wednesday. Up to 1,200 athletes may compete for a chance to win $25,000 in the professional category or $4,000 in the age group categories.
This tent is where athletes transition from their 1.2-mile swim to their 56-mile bike ride. And after that's finished, they then run 13 miles to downtown Muncie, where they cross the finish line at Charles Street.
The age groupers do it just for, I'd say, pride, respect from, people they know, and they sheer love for doing it. It sounds crazy why you'd want to do all that, but there's people out there who do.
Fitzwater's love for the race made him create a training schedule where he runs or bikes throughout the streets of Portland when he's not in court. He also swims at Toohey Pool and says his swimming experience in high school should help him paddle through. In Muncie, Mandy Hackman, Newslink, Indiana.
Brian Fitzwater is using this competition as practice for the Ironman Florida Triathlon in November. Well, now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at our forecast. Jennifer?
Thanks, Chris. This morning we're seeing partly cloudy skies and our temperature at 64 degrees. We're going to see the sun remain in our forecast until this low pressure system to our southwest moves in, along with this cold front up to the north. It's going to trigger showers and thunderstorms for the evening today. So for later today, it's going to be more humid. We're going to see a high of 82 along with those PM showers. Chris?
Thanks, Jennifer. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us again at 6:27 tonight for more news. And don't forget local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.